Once upon a time, in a kingdom far beyond the rainbow, there lived a princess named Tempest. Princess Tempest lived in a grand castle made of silver and gold, surrounded by gardens that danced in the wind. Yet, despite the beauty around her, Tempest was known for her anger and cruelty. She would stomp around the castle, casting her displeasure like bolts of lightning, causing the servants and villagers to tremble in fear. The reason for her foul temper was a mystery even to her father, King Orion, who loved her dearly. He tried everything to brighten his daughter's mood: lavish feasts, shining jewels, and even fireworks that colored the night sky. But nothing seemed to change Tempest's stormy demeanor. One day, as the clouds of her anger surged, the princess found herself alone in the Whispering Woods. These woods were not ordinary. They were filled with ancient trees that hummed soft lullabies and spoke in leafy whispers. No one dared enter without a worthy reason, but Princess Tempest, uncaring and furious, charged deeper into their mysterious depths. As she stomped along, she happened upon a clearing where the sunlight danced upon a sparkling pond. It was here that she met a peculiar little creature, a tiny, talking squirrel named Nutmeg. "Princess Tempest," chirped Nutmeg, clutching an acorn as a wizard holds his wand, "why do you let your heart be like thunder when there is so much sunshine to share?" Tempest was taken aback. No one had ever questioned her anger before, and certainly not a mere squirrel. "Sunshine? My heart is filled with storms, little one," she retorted, her voice sharp. "The world is not filled with sunshine." Nutmeg, undeterred by her harsh words, simply smiled and gestured to the surrounding woods. "These trees have been here for hundreds of years, soaking up sunshine and reaching for the skies. They weather the storms, yes, but they never forget to whisper sweet tidings when the sun shines bright. Perhaps you could learn from them." The end. Please like and subscribe our channel for more stories. Thanks for watching.